Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you 4 ways to stop 100% disk usage in Windows 10. I'm pretty sure this will apply for Windows 8 and 8.1. I have an SSD, a solid state drive, so I don't have this issue, but if you have a hard drive, an HDD, a hard disk drive, a normal physical moving drive, you can tell if you turn off your computer, you will hear a tick, and turn it on, you'll hear zzz, like it turning on. Not the fan, but the hard drive. So first, search up this PC, and then go to your C drive with the little Windows icon on the drive, right-click it, and then click on Properties. Go over to, make sure that your compressed this drive that saved this space is unchecked. Just a quick tip. High CPU usage, if you have that too, just uncheck that and click apply. So go over to optimize, or an easier way, you can go to optimize defragment and optimize drives. This little window will pop up here. You can see it there. Now click on optimize, and you're good to go with that. Next up is a Windows search. So go over and type to search bar and type in services, and then run it, open it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and find Windows search. Oh, here it is. Then right click it and then click on stop. And then right click it and then go to properties and then go to startup type disabled and then click apply. Then OK. And this will help a lot. And next, open up CMD. And then run it and search CMD. And then click on Run as Administrator. This little window will pop up. Just click Yes. Now you see this little black box. Now type in S or CHK DSK C your drive letter, your Windows installation. C colon is mine. C colon /F and then enter. And this little pop-up will pop up. All you want to do is type in yes or Y and go and then click enter. I'm gonna do no, but after you click on yes, go over and restart your PC, and it should scan for bad sectors and disk errors that might be in Windows. So hope this helped. If you still have this issue, let me know, and I'll make another video on more tips and tricks on how to fix this. So yeah, peace out everyone.